One wall, one couch, one floor. Welcome to Shady Acres. Pay no attention to the wrecking ball.
Jamie and Adam are chasing a cartoon conundrum.
Oh, that's his home.
The Homer record. Can our hero's leap of faith dissipate the force of this impact?
Yeah!
You know, it didn't move very fast, but it had quite a kick to it, didn't it?
I mean, that's Newton's second law right there.
Now, we're going to leave all this damage intact as it is.
Couldn't be better.
And go ahead and do the test with Homer on the wrecking ball with the identical house.
Now that is a proper cartoon wrecking ball.
And if it shows damage anything like this, we will know that Homer's efforts would have been for naught.
And ta-da! Allow me to introduce you to the completed, ready-to-be-tested with hero of this episode, Mr. Homer J. Simpson. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause.
Our accurately sized and dressed Homer
There we go.
is attached to the ball exactly as per the clip,
That's it. First arm is on. Okay.
with a final crucial component.
Since part of this is what happens with Homer's body mass on the ball, we need to give him some body mass other than just foam. We're doing that by adding water.
The average density of a human body is within a couple of percentage points of water.
Perfect.
So a water-filled Homer is an almost perfect energy absorption analog for a real person of that size and shape.
Oh, Homer is substantial. Our cartoon character is coming to life.
The question is, with a real-life mass of 239 pounds, can he save his house?
I think we're good to go up.
All right.
It's happening.
We're making sure that we're positioning the ball exactly the same way that we did the first time. We'll let it settle, so the physics should all be the same, except for Homer. Does it look like his ass is dead center?
He couldn't be more perfectly on the horizon of the lines of force between the ball and his house.
As per the control, the velocity on impact may only be a pedestrian 6 miles an hour.
What are we doing?
But with 5,000 pounds of ball,
Who's paying for this? This is awesome.
there's a lot of energy to dissipate.
Say goodbye, Homer.
Can our hefty hero really absorb that impact?
All right, here we go. Homer versus the wrecking ball. The final experiment. 3, 2, 1. Here he goes.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a result that I never would have bet on.
He's clearly made a big difference.
Yeah, I mean, look at this house, and then look at that one.
Wow.
I'm just saying. Homer's ass is quite impressive, actually.
It's an astonishing result. The house didn't escape completely unscathed, but Homer did help.
Well, astonishingly, it turns out Homer did in fact make a difference by placing himself between the wrecking ball and his house. He clearly made a heroic effort, and it had a heroic outcome.
Those cartoonists don't get enough credit for proper engineering.
I am too smart. I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.
All right, Al, I got some good news